Okay, just got done installing the SC Project STR-1 Exhaust on my MT-09 2024. And I tried taking the baffle out, but it won't fucking come out. So it's all fucked right now. Hopefully when I'm riding it, it vibrates itself out. But anyways, it's black ceramic coating on the pipes to help blend it in, and then it's got this little carbon fiber. I guess they call it a heat shield or something. It's pretty nice, but this is a first startup after installing it. So let's see how it sounds. Oh, it needs to be neutral. There we go. All right. Whoops. Yeah, that baffle needs to come out. It sounds like shit, but other than that, it sounds alright. I'll see what it sounds like when I ride it.